James, we're here on Anstey Park at the MTC. What's today all about?
So today we start our visitor campaign press launch. So this is that registration is now open for MACH. We're talking about all the new exciting things we've got for visitors. We have obviously improved our wayfinding from the last show, but more importantly this year we're launching knowledge hubs.
Knowledge hubs, sound fascinating. Tell us more.
So these are places where people can go and get impartial advice on a number of key topics. It could be anything from additive manufacturing to robotics and automation, right the way through to tooling. We've got an energy efficiency knowledge hub as well. And people can go there and get impartial advice. Now it might be people starting out on their journey, or it might be people with a specific question or challenge that they've got. They can come along, get impartial advice, and more importantly be directed around the show to see the companies providing the answers and the technology.
And what were those technologies?
So the ones we've got are robotics and automation, tooling, additive manufacturing, and sustainability and data.
It's a fantastic idea. And we just sat through a presentation and I've seen the site map. It looks pretty full, but can I still exhibit if I need to?
Yeah, we've just opened up some extra space at the moment, so we do have a room in both MACH and the Engineering Supply Chain show. So if people are interested, they just need to get in touch.